fine. So here is a graduate engineer trainee from the new Corp careers. So from this company, so this is the offer. So it is a domain of cyber security domain. All qualified applicants will receive consideration for employment without regard to race, color, religion, national origin, something else. So job description is mentioned here clearly. You can go through the responsibilities also mentioned here. Monitor security information and event management tools, helping in performing vulnerability scans and assessments of IT infrastructure, and all details are mentioned. Go through it, and qualifications are also mentioned clearly. Currently enrolled in BTech or MTech in cybersecurity, IT and computer science field. Okay, so basic knowledge of OS networking and other details, and knowledge of Python also required. Any prior internship coursework. So duration is about 6 months. So stipend, so they'll provide. So if you are interested, you can apply for this opportunity. Link is provided in the description box, and share to your friends also, and like the video without fail for better reach. Thank you all.